Welcome, my dear children. Now let us go on to the third sum. Okay, so the first and second construction, I hope you all have understood it well. See the third question. Quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 6.4. Length of BC is 4.8 centimeter. Angle A is 70 degree. B is 50 and C is given as 140 degree. Let us draw a rough figure. Okay, a rough figure. Rough figure is just a reference. It will not look like your fair figure. Okay. So we will name this quadrilateral ABCD. Anyhow, you can name ABCD. Remember, clockwise or anti-clockwise. This time I named it anti-clockwise. What all things are given? AB is given as 6.4. BC is given as 4.8 centimeter. Angle A is given as 70. Angle B is given as 50 degree. Angle C is given as 140 degree. 140 degree. Okay, these are the given details. Now, as you can see, we can take BC. We can start with BC. You can start with any side. That is, you from AB or BC, you can start with any side. Because we don't have this information, no, AD and DC. So, you can't start with this. We will start with either AB or BC. I will start with side BC, 4.8 centimeter. Keep your compass, protractor, scale, pencil ready. Pause the video and come back. So let's draw the base. Base BC 4.8. So 4.8, leave some space here up. 4.8 is here. After 4, 4.5, 6, 7, 8. With scale, carefully draw BC and write 4.8 centimeter. Now just to check, from B you have angle 50 degree, from C you have angle 140 degree. Okay, if you had started with AB, you would have drawn AB here, from A 70 degree, from B 50 degree. Okay, so any way you take, you will get the quadrilateral. Both ways are correct. So here I will start, I'll take the protractor and I'll mark 50 degree from B. Angle B is 50 degrees. So keep the protractor correctly on that vertex B. Yes. Kept correctly. Mark 50 degree. 50 degree means acute angle. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is here. Here, this 50. Okay. Now, join B and make it little more longer. Join the point to B. And make it little longer. Yes. So here we got angle 50 degree. Label it. After that, angle C is 140 degree. Remember children, obtuse angle. So mouth will be wide open. Like that. So from C, keep the protractor on point C very carefully. This is point C. Keep it on point C. Yeah, the base should coincide. Now 140. 140 will you take here? No, the mouth will be small. No, you want it big. So 140 means you will go to this side. 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40. 140 is here. Join C to that point and extend it. Extend it. Okay. This I'll cover up by drawing an arrow. Before we forget, 140 degree. Now, so this over, this three things over. Now what is remaining? From B, we will take 6.4 on our compass. Draw an arc. Yeah. So we'll get our AB, side AB will be ready. So 6.4 we want. So take your compass and take 6.4. 6.4 is here. Yes. On your compass, take 6.4. Keep it on point B carefully and draw the arc. If you have not extended it, extend it. Okay, so you got a point, and that point will be point A. So AB became 6.4 centimeter. Now from A, what will you take? 70 degree. Okay, so keep your protractor on A carefully. Keep it on A this way, the base, and yes, this way correctly. Okay, okay, or if you want, you can tilt the book and take. Now A means angle A is how much? 70 degree. That means acute angle. So mouth will be this side. No, if it is that side, it will become obtuse angle. It will become obtuse angle. Okay, acute angle means this side. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 70 is here. So yes, here. So from A, 70 degree. Don't go to this side. Huh? This 70 will become actually 110. Huh? So 70 degree means acute angle. So this is the point. Join point to 70 degree point that you got. Extend it. Yes. Draw the arrow and write here 70 degree. Now you can make out angle 70 is acute angle. Only this much. Otherwise, if you take that side, no, it will become big. So, is your quadrilateral ready? A, B, C, D. So, this point is your point D. Okay. So, this was very easy. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. So, I hope you children have understood this as well. Okay. Now, let's go on to the next sum. Okay, so now we have the last question. Quadrilateral LMNO. So I have drawn a rough quadrilateral, named it as LMNO, such that LM is equal to LO. Okay, these two sides are equal. So I'll put this identical marks, and both are 6 centimeter. 6, 6. LM and LO. ON is equal to NM. They both are equal. So this way I'll show the identical marks. Means these two are equal. And both are 4.5 centimeter. Then we have a OM 7.5 centimeter. Where is OM? That is a diagonal. So this is same like the sum which we did. Second sum. Okay. So we have a diagonal means we can draw the upper triangle. Later come to the lower triangle. OM is how much? 7.5 centimeter. Okay. So this you can do without my help. Draw the base OM 7.5 centimeter. On your compass take 6 centimeter. Keep the compass on O, arc. M, arc. Join. Same way later on take 4.5, arc down. Join. Okay. So try it by yourself and then check it from me. Fine. So as you can see, I have drawn OM 7.5 centimeter. Now on the compass, we will take 6 centimeter. On the compass, 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. From O, arc. From M, arc. From M, cut an arc. Same way from O, same arc, cut an arc. Because both are equal lengths. So, very easily you will get it. No need to take different measurements. No. So, we got the point of intersection, that will be L. Join L to O, L to M. Okay, so I joined OL and LM. Write down 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Such a cute triangle you got. So upper triangle is ready. Now on your compass you will take 4.5 centimeter and repeat the same way. So take 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 is here. Sorry. 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. Keep the compass on M. Draw arc. Keep the compass on L. O. Keep the compass on O. Cut that arc. So here I got the point of intersection. join that to O, and join that to M. Yes. So this is your point N. How much was ON? 4.5 and 4.5 centimeter. So as you can see in this quadrilateral, the adjacent sides are of equal measure, no? So show that identical marks, these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. Okay, and we had got the diagonal. Now this type of quadrilateral where the adjacent sides are equal, only the adjacent sides are equal. One ajubaju wala sides are equal. This is called as a kite. This quadrilateral is called as a kite. Okay. About type of quadrilaterals we'll be discussing in the next part. Right. The final statement. Quadrilateral LMNO is the required quadrilateral. Okay children, so in this way we have completed the practice set, all the sums. I had explained to you all the constructions in detail. Do it carefully, enjoy maths. You can also share it with your friends so that till we meet for the next time, take care all of you. Bye students.